welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to make for you one of my daughter's favorite recipes, macaroni and cheese. This is a delicious recipe and super simple to make. If you don't like macaroni and cheese, like I don't normally care for macaroni and cheese, I really like this recipe. It's super easy and super delicious. So let me show you what's going to go inside of all this deliciousness. First thing you're going to do is you're going to take a 16-ounce box of macaroni. You're going to do 3 cups of milk. You're going to do 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, a half a stick of butter melted, salt and pepper to taste, and then you're going to do 12 ounces of Colby Jack shredded cheddar and 12 ounces of sharp cheddar cheese shredded. So next up, I'm going to show you how we get this all put together. All right, everyone, I'm going to show you how we put this macaroni and cheese together. First off, I'm going to take a aluminum pan, because this just cooks up good in the oven and it's disposable. It doesn't look real pretty, but it's not about how it looks, it's about how it tastes. And then you want to spray your pan. I use canola. You can use whatever spray you have on hand. Then you're going to put in your 16 ounces of your macaroni. And you're just going to pour them in. And then we're going to add in our 3 cups of milk. This recipe is very rich, but it's very good. Like I said, even if you're not a big macaroni and cheese fan, I think you'll like this one. And then we're going to do our 2 cups of the heavy whipping cream. And we're going to do the half a stick of butter melted. All right, then we're going to add in our cheese. Got our sharp cheddar. Like I said earlier, if you want to half this recipe, you can, but we're having some people over for dinner tonight. So we're going to serve this. So we want to have enough. All right, finish up with the sharp cheddar. We want to have 12 ounces of that. Now our Colby Jack. And then you're going to want to preheat your oven to 375, which I've already done. You're going to put this in the middle rack. Alrighty. And then you're just going to do salt and pepper to taste. And then we're going to stir it up. And then I'm going to cover it up with foil. And then I'm going to put it in our oven. You're going to cook this for about 1 hour. And then once we do that, we'll show you how it all looks. All right, everyone, we've got our macaroni and cheese out of the oven. As you can see, it looks really good and it's hot. And we're gonna go ahead and sprinkle some paprika on it just for a little flavor and color. And there you have it. I hope that you will enjoy this recipe. I hope your family enjoys it. I hope that you subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell. That way you get notifications when I have a new video up. And you have a great day, and thanks for watching.